Today we will discuss about gating system and its element. Gating system mean all the passages through which molten metal enters the mold cavity, and generally it includes some elements. Elements of gating system are following. First one is pouring cup or pouring basin. Second is sprue. Third one is sprue base well. Fourth is runner, and fifth is gate, and last one is riser. So pouring basin or pouring cup, molten metal is poured into a pouring basin which act as a reservoir from which it moves smoothly into the sprue. So here the molten metal is poured from this part and it is generally act as the reservoir, and the pouring basin is also able to stop the slag from entering the mold cavity by means of skimmer. Sprue, it is the channel through which molten metal is brought into the parting plane, which it enters the runner and then ingates, and these are generally conical shape as we can see here, and this is the vertical section. And the function of sprue, the molten metal when moving from top of the cope to the parting plane gains in velocity, so it requires a small area of cross section for same amount of metal to flow at the bottom. And second one, liquid tries to attain minimum area at the bottom, so there is an air gap between the liquid jet and sprue well, so air inspiration will be there which causes problem. Sprue well base, the reservoir for metal at the bottom of the sprue to reduce the momentum of the molten metal. And next part is runner. Runner, it is generally located in the horizontal plane or parting plane which connects the sprue to its gates. Gate, these are the opening through which metal enters the mold cavity. So here we can see, as molten metal is poured through the sprue, it moves through the runner and then with the help of gate it enters the mold cavity, and this is the direction of the molten metal towards mold cavity. And the last part of gating system is riser. Most of the foundry alloys shrink during solidification, and it is the reservoir of molten metal is to be maintained from which metal can flow radially into the casting when need arises, and these reservoirs are called riser. Hence a reservoir of molten metal is to be maintained from which metal can flow radially into the casting. So these are the discussion that we discussed today about gating system, and we learnt about the main elements of the gating system. This is all about gating system, and again I want to explain some parts of gating system. This is the pouring cup or pouring basin, and this is the vertical section, that is sprue. At the bottom of sprue here is the sprue base well, and it is connected with the horizontal section, that is the runner, and from runner here is the opening which are known as the gate, and through gate molten metal is poured into the mold cavity for getting the desired casting. And here is the reservoir riser, that is also act a reservoir when need of the molten metal is required during solidification. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video and updates on mechanical topics and Universe 22. You may like, share and comments. Thank you. Have a nice day.